Ah, imagine a DJI Osmo 4, an Action 4. Imagine when the Pocket 3 comes out. Is a Pocket 3 going to be suitable for me? I like holding a camera in hand. I don't feel a mechanical stabilization. DJI Action 4. Nobody's talking about that. The DJI Pocket 3. We're all waiting. For me, I feel like I'm holding a Pocket 3 in hand for a reason. I got the Action 3 and it does a great job in electronic image stabilization. Mechanical stabilization may not work for me on a bicycle because sometimes I put the camera in the pocket. I don't know why you could take the pocket and try to put it in your pocket when you got an open head that must be delicate and you don't want to damage it, right? I guess that's why they call it a pocket, thinking that it would fit in your pocket. Wouldn't you want the Action 3 to be called the Pocket 3? I think so. I'll put that in my pocket and not worry about it. But anyway, they're both great cameras, don't get me wrong. My Action 3, oh man, it jammed up yesterday. I have a video of it trying to get the playback to free up. I had to hit record to get it off the screen. It was like my first jam in under a year. Look, camera jam. Can't do anything. But if I hit record, I clear it and I can stop recording. And then if I go to playback, then I can swipe down and then I could delete the issue. That's an unbelievable camera jam, man. Let me tell you. The Action 4. What would you like to see in it? Because when we ask, it doesn't happen on the Action 3 to put anything in it. They all get saved up for the Action 4. Well, horizontal balance, I like to see added up to 60 frames per second. And I also like to see 360 degrees added to the camera in 4K rather than hold it at 2.7K. I like to see that little circle disappear. I like better microphones. I like to get back the old 3.5 millimeter and a USB-C mic in the camera. I like more control of the audio. I like to have more things in there. I don't know what the things will be when they come out. Oh, would I be right when the Action 4 comes out with all those things, right? I actually like to see a built-in ND filter like they did in the Sonys. I like to see an interchangeable lens. I'm not talking just screw-on lens protector. I'm talking an actual change of lens. I want to see narrow put into 4K. It's supposed to come in and never came in. Hey, I'm Fish. Don't mind the breeze. It's a nice, cool summer day coming up. And not going to be nice a couple of days. I'm trying to build up some videos and talk to you and about things and everything. The DJI Action 3 is a great camera. It does a nice job. It will do its work for you. You get your video on the go. It's very easy to carry with you. Put it on a mini tripod and you're a happy camper. You need to have an external mic, otherwise you won't get good sound. And people complain about the external mic when they use it because they're motovlogging and the wind hits them and they're crying that it breaks up and it clips. Well, I wonder what's going to happen when the Pocket 3 comes out, because Feiju's got their Pocket 3 on the market. And Vimy, they probably have theirs as well. And SJ Cam came out with a nice small stick camera that's interchangeable. And man, there's a lot of new stuff coming out. And you can't just get them all. You got to pick one, choose one, and decide which one is right for you. Well, anyway, I haven't made my purchase on a quick release mount. I'm waiting for a nice sale to come about because I can't get just one. I need to have two. I need two bases with one, quick release on the camera. And that's like $50 after I'm all finished. Not what I want to do. I don't want to spend a ton of money for a little piece of plastic. I was definitely going to get myself a Rode Wireless ME in white. I don't think I need it right now because maybe I just didn't charge my microphone correctly, the transmitter, and it's holding nice and strong. And it doesn't need a firmware update because there are no firmware updates to the original Go. Speaking of Go, it's time to get going. It's time to do things, get things going, and see things. And I said a lot, I did a lot, I talked a lot, and I just couldn't spit that out a lot. On that note, I'm Fish, and I catch you on many other videos to come. Hey Fish, you're supposed to do that the opposite way. Drop your camera down like so, and get the hell on out of here.